Calminity Frequency Generator Review. What to know before you buy. If you've come across the Calminity Frequency Generator and you're wondering what it actually does. There are a few important things to understand before spending your money. If you're interested in checking out this product, I've tagged it in this video, and you can find it through the product link in the description. A frequency generator is a device designed to produce specific electrical or electromagnetic frequencies. Products in this category are often marketed for wellness, relaxation, energy, or other personal uses. The important thing is to separate what the device actually produces from the claims made around it. A frequency generator can generate electrical signals at selected frequencies, but that alone doesn't prove that it can diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent a medical condition. So if you're considering a product like Calminity, focus on the actual specifications, how the device is operated, what it is intended for, and whether the seller provides clear documentation. You should also be careful with any product that makes strong health claims without credible evidence. Another thing to consider is the user experience. If you're buying a specialized frequency device, make sure you understand how the controls work, what accessories are included, and whether there are any usage restrictions. And because electrical devices can vary significantly in design and output, don't assume that two frequency generators are interchangeable just because they use similar terminology. So, is the Calminity frequency generator worth buying? That really depends on what you're expecting from it. If you're interested in frequency generation equipment for legitimate, clearly defined purposes, carefully check the specifications and documentation before buying. But if you're considering it because of promises that it can treat a health problem, it's better not to rely on those claims without appropriate medical evidence. If you want to check the latest details or buy this product, I've tagged it in the video, and you can find the product link in the description. Like the video, subscribe, and let me know what you think.